Welcome back to Transforming Spaces. I'm Olawumi, your guide in creating a stunning and functional space. Today, we're going to be diving into the heart of personal design, and that's all about discovering your style. Now, if you have struggled to define what speaks to you, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you would have clarity and confidence to start designing spaces that you love. This video is proudly sponsored by DBA. DBA is an online community that can help you to grow your digital products. If you don't know anything about digital products and you want to learn, or you want to start, or you already even know and you're trying to scale your business, this is a community you need to belong to. See, other than them teaching you, they provide you the materials, they provide you products that you can actually start selling online. The offer is too good to be true, guys. The link is attached in my bio. Everything you need to know is on that link, so you want to check it out, guys. It's very affordable and it's currently on sale right now. I don't know when the price is going to change, so it's a very good time to actually grab this opportunity before the door closes. For some of us that have walked round and far just trying to get solutions to making money online, see, DBA is just a one-stop, as in it is my one stop. I have gotten so much value from that community, and I believe every single person who is interested in making money online, in learning about digital products, in building a community, or in being a part of a community that can support you to, excel in that dream that you have, you need to belong to DBA, honestly. So like I said, the link is attached in my bio. Just go up there, grab the course, you will see it, make the payments, and the link will be sent to you so that you can join the community, and then you can get access to, thousands and thousands of materials that can literally turn your life around. So guys, don't sleep on this offer. You need to grab it right now. Your home is more than just walls and furniture. It's your sanctuary. But how do you create spaces that are uniquely you? It all starts with understanding what your design style is. Whether you're a fan of clean lines and neutrals or bold electric vibes, knowing what resonates with you makes every decision easier. Now let's take a quick look at some popular design styles. Minimalism is perfect if you love simplicity and function. Tadevadian, about cozy, light-filled spaces. Farmhouse blends rusty charm with modern touches. Industrial brings in raw, unfinished elements. And if you prefer vibrant colors and unique pieces, Bohemian is your go-to. Now, which one speaks to you? Don't worry if they all do or you have more than one. Design is all about blending the things that you love. One of my favorite ways to uncover your style is by using Pinterest. Start a board and then pin everything you're drawn to. Don't overthink it. Just save what catches your eye. Over time, patterns will emerge. Specific colors, textures, and furniture shapes would also emerge. Another way to find your style is to take an inventory of your home. What pieces do you already own and love? Maybe it's a vintage chair, or maybe it's a textured rug, or a bold piece of art. These treasures can inspire your design direction. Pieces like this guide your palette and your decor choices. They're already a part of your story. Now, if you're still unsure as to what your design style is, there are various quizzes that you could actually try out online just to test and see what your preference or what your style could be. So here's a quick recap. You can discover your style by exploring popular and trending design styles. Secondly, you can do that by creating a mood board. That's what I explained when I said you should get a board on Pinterest. And then thirdly, you could take an inventory of the things you already have and you own, and then see, your style from there. And remember, you should always remember this: timelessness doesn't mean boring. It's about creating a foundation that evolves with you. So did you find today's episode helpful? Did it help you to find your style? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and then to subscribe for more tips. In our next episode, we'll be exploring how proper planning can save you time, money, and stress. So see you then, guys.